Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum and greetings. AliShanMao here. Welcome back to FPV Pakistan. Another episode. I just found these abandoned villas here. I don't know what phase of Beria town it is, but those back there are simply amazing to fly Cine whoops, FPV whoops, or even toothpicks. I just had two good flights with my BetaFPV 85X HD. Check it out and have fun.
Come on, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It's right there. I know you can do it. Oh, while you're at it, also hit the subscribe button. Right there. Come on, don't be shy. Just hit it. Thank you very much for all your support towards my work, that I post regular and fresh content on my channel just for you. Hit that like button right there.